Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger not clickable on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you go to next window here and you just go down, then you click here on apps and it's going to take you to next window here. And all you have to do, you just go down here to looking for Messenger app here in this window and you just click here on Messenger and it's going to take you to next window. Then you just click here on for stop and you click here on OK, then you just go down and you click here on storage, then you go to next window or storage window here and you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just go to your Play Store and search for Messenger app. It's going to show for your update and you click on update and it's going to fix your problem. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Messenger app. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.